welcome to another episode. We are going to repair a Yume. Apparently this is a 55 plus mile an hour e-scooter. Evidence is being shown right about here and there. And then the biggest piece was right there. Now that we know what they can and can't do, we're going to go ahead and figure it all out. And what I've learned is this master cylinder is toast. Even the pin for it was toast. And it has these little switches. So we got to replace those. This one kind of pumps up if you give it enough pushes, but that just means that there's an air leak somewhere. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this apart. I'm going to take the wheel off. Looks like what we need to do in order to take the wheel off is to take the fender off, loosen the shock, open up the swing arm lateral bolts, and then take this brake off so the brake can slide out from the wheel when the arm opens up. Then I can drop this wheel because it's got little clamps that hold it in place. See right there? They lock into this aluminum arm. Can't get it out. So we got to take it apart. We're going to do that now.
If being a bad motherfucker is a crime, then I am guilty. Like if OJ was running away on his D.O.B., there wouldn't be a case to quit. There'd be no bloody glove that didn't fit. He would have been guilty. If wearing too much ice is a crime, then I am guilty. If I have inside peas harder than Tanya Harding cracking a bitch on the knee, then that bitch is guilty. Ha. Antagonist to thought I am like Loki. Running from the law, the press and homeowners committee. They totaled a request for my arrest like Carson Daly. Dr. Chopper, you claim to have PTSD. Motherfucker terrified when we ride for no apparent reason. Now you're gonna catch me if your cat can catch you breathing. I did not inhale and I did not have relations with Lewinsky. Guilty motherfucker, guilty. If talking shit was crime, he'd be guilty. If being a bad motherfucker is a crime, then I am guilty. Karen doesn't like my hillbilly bad motherfucking ass whipping around Philly. All filthy, see me rolling, hate me, see me dust and crack, drunk and bumping pillies. I like blaming others, motherfucking buddy. I only blame myself, putting a hand on your titty, halfway there. Puffy, snuggly, I'm a chubby, I'm guilty, scruffy, between your knees and nutty on your tummy. Yup, yup, yup. If being a bad motherfucker is a crime, then I am guilty. Like if OJ was running away on his D.O.B., there wouldn't be a case to quit. There'd be no bloody glove that didn't fit. He wouldn't have been guilty. If wearing too much ice is a crime, then I'm guilty. If I have inside peas harder than Tanya Harding cracking a bitch on the knee, then that bitch is guilty. Antagonist of thought I'm like Loki. Running from the law, the press and homeowners committee. They totaled the request for my arrest like Carson Daly. But Dr. Chopper, you claim to have PTSD. Motherfuckers terrified when we ride for no apparent reason. How you gonna catch me if your cock can catch your breathing? I did not inhale and I did not have relations with Lewinsky. Guilty motherfucker, guilty. If we're talking shit was crime, yeah, he be guilty. If being a bad motherfucker is a crime, then I am guilty. Karen doesn't like my hillbilly bad motherfucking ass whipping around Philly. I'm filthy, see me rolling, hate me, see me dust and crack, drunk and popping pillies. I like blaming others, motherfucking ruddy. I mean, blame myself, putting a hand on your titty, halfway there. Puffy, snuggly, on my chubby, I'm guilty, scruffy, between your knees and nutty on your tummy. Yup, yup, yup.
I almost got it out. I almost got it out. We'll come up with a plan in a minute. I'm going to take a break, but you know what has to happen next? We got to get that thing off of that. See the magnets? They're pulling the hub on. And then I have a new box with a new wheel running around here somewhere. Let's see if we can find it.